So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom banner art for your YouTube channel like these ones you're seeing right now on your screen. But first, what is a channel banner art and why should you even have it in the first place? A channel banner art is a large banner that goes across the top of your channel page and is commonly used to visually communicate your channel's brand and personality. Remember, when people encounter a video on YouTube, they will always rush to check your channel out. So you want to make sure that you give a first good impression and professional look. And this can only be evident on a channel banner art. Your YouTube channel is like a website of sorts. When people go there, they should learn something about what you're talking about. So why should you have it even in the first place? A custom channel banner art is an important piece of branding that instantly captures your potential customers' attention as well as communicate in brief what your channel is about. For example, this is Think Media, one of my favorite channels that I follow here on YouTube with over 1.8 million subscribers. Now, as you can see, the channel banner art really speaks out loud what they're about. They have a picture of some of the tools they use like lights and cameras, as well as picture of the team behind the brand. Plus, they have also included links to their social media accounts such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Really cool. How do you create a channel banner art then? Creating a channel banner art is quite simple. I'm going to take you through how to create a channel banner art using a free software. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm also going to show you how to create a simple yet powerful call to action on your channel banner art. To create a channel banner art, you will need a software called Canva. Canva is totally completely free. You can go to the description below to get started with Canva for free today. There are several other softwares and tools out there that you can use to create channel banner art like Snapper, but Canva is still the best when it comes to creating a channel banner art. Now, let's jump onto Canva so that I can show you really quick how to create a channel banner art for your YouTube channel. If you are liking this content and for more of such, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. So I've logged into my Canva account here, and Canva is a tool that helps you to create so many different social media templates or effects. If you hover here, you'll find that Canva has a lot of things you can create, but I'm going to go through all these things. For today's video, let's just jump. So let's go ahead and create a YouTube channel art. The first thing you want to do is to look for the search button here on Canva, and then you're just going to type YouTube channel art. And if you type that, Canva is going to give you, of course, options here to choose from. Now, the first one is, of course, the YouTube channel art that we've typed in. But Canva goes ahead and gives you even options depending on what channel you want to talk about. For example, if you're creating a beauty YouTube channel, then Canva gives you template for a beauty YouTube channel art. Also, we have templates for travel, live stream, music, etc. For this case, because we're just creating a general channel art, let's go with the first option, this YouTube channel art. So I've clicked on that and that has brought me here. Now, again, Canva does a great job and it even gives you filters according to what they think you might want. Now, if you come to the left side of the Canva here, you'll see the filters here. The first one is style. So maybe your channel is more of a minimalistic style, a modern style, a simple style, or whatever. Just go ahead and choose the style that you want here. Also, there is filters in terms of themes. So there is the art, YouTube, pink, photo, whatever. Just choose, and even you can click here to view more options in terms of themes. Now, if you scroll down, Canva goes ahead and gives you options in terms of, now there's so many themes here. If you scroll down, Canva gives you option in terms of color. And I like black, so I'm going to click on black, and then I'm going to see some of the templates that Canva gives you as far as black theme is concerned. So let's click on that. If I click on that, Canva gives me all these amazing pre-made templates that I can use to draw inspiration even as you are creating your own channel art. So I'm going to pick this one. It looks pretty to me. It looks something that can catch my eye. Of course, what you want to do is go through these templates and look which one catches your eye. For me, it's this. So I'm going to click on this. And if I click on that, Canva is going to open for me now the editing window. So we are here on the Canva editing window. Now, I hope you are enjoying this because I am. It's very simple. Canva has made our lives easy on social media and YouTube. So now I'm here on the editing window, and as you can see, it has given me this template right here. So this is what I'm going to see as I'm doing my editing. Now again, on the left side of Canva, we have several elements for editing. You can look at these elements, like for example, the shapes, the rectangle, the squares, etc. You can upload your own features that you want to use on your channel art. You can also use the different photos that Canva gives you. Canva gives you several amazing photos. You can even search here in terms of what you want to get the different photos that you can use for free to prepare your channel banner art. Of course, there are text here. You can add text on this theme. Now, if you are going to put a fitness channel ad, then of course you'll probably like this person to be you and not somebody else. So you might want to change this. But for the sake of this tutorial, because I want to make it simple, let's just say assume this is me. So you can add photos again. You can come here and upload photos that you want, or photos of you. If you have photos of you, go here to upload, and then just upload whatever photos you have of you. So for the sake of this, my channel is called say Optimize Fitness. So I'm going to type the Optimize Fitness, and I want maybe to make this a little bit interesting. So I'm going to change the color here. If you want to change the color for this, just highlight that and then come here, called text color, click on that, and then it gives you this. You can change that, and then if you, as you can see now, just change this to black. And of course, I'm going to delete this. I don't want that. And we can add more text. Come here on the left side, click on text. You can add, it even gives you different text themes you can use. I'm just going to go with simple text. I'm going to add that. So then you can always drag and drop all these things the way you want. It's a very simple thing to use. So I'm going to say, be your best. I'm going to say be your best. So that's like kind of option for people when they land onto my channel. Another thing I might add, maybe I might add some gym equipment just to make this channel art look even more appropriate. I might even change the color of this. By the way, if you like, you can change the color of this. Now, if you want to increase the transparency, you can click on that, and here's transparency. You can always lower that and increase that. For my sake, I'm just going to lower the transparency a bit to bring that big, huge contrast. Now, already it's coming out so nicely. I can also want to reduce the transparency this side. I'm going to click on that and reduce the transparency a bit. Like that. I think that one is coming out so nicely. So it's just around playing around these things with these images. You can here edit the image, you can crop it, you can flip it. There's so many, even color, you can change color here. If you come here, you can change the color that you want. You can see, I think I've just messed up that, but if you go back, oh yeah, so at least you know. Now there is also the go back undo button right here, or the redo button right here. So now I think this is pretty nice for me. I'm just going to add one more photo just to show you can add a photo. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to type fitness, and then here we go. So it has given me these options, so I'm just going to pick that, and then maybe I'm going to, so you can let's drag and drop these things the way you want, because it's a thumbnail. I'm just going to drag it there. I hope you can view that. Then because I want this to blend, I can click on this and then go to edit image, and then go to background remover. So I can always remove the background of this. So what Canva is going to do is going to remove the background of that, and it's just only going to leave for me the image that I want to use. So that removes the entire background. So let's see what that one does. So as you can see, guys, that's removed for me the background, and now I'm just remaining with this thing that I want to use. Of course, I can add it anywhere I want. I can even add it right there. It looks really pretty much. So go ahead and play around with this tool. It's very, very simple tool to use. There's some buttons here to use, and elements. You can highlight something, and then it brings you all these elements. You can change even the text type. You can change the text size here. You can change the text color. You can make it bold, even how the text appears. You can even make it highlight. Even some effects right here we have. You see, you can add that, and you see how that one appears. Give some shadow on the text, etc. So it's very simple tool to use. Use it to make your channel art. Once you're satisfied with what you've done, just come to this button saying download, then click on download, and then pick PNG. Okay, pick PNG. PNG is the suggested one here, and it's the best. So just pick PNG and then click download, and then just start downloading for you, and then you go and upload onto your channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and support the channel. We put a lot of effort in creating for you these videos for you. Also smash that like button to support us. If you want to know how to make the best use of your banner art and adding the subscribe button on your banner art to increase your number of subscribers, then please make sure to watch this next video.